Brand new 4 halves. 5 halves house with 2,232 square feet. Under air. The Melissa model features a wonderful open concept split floor plan allowing plenty of room for entertaining. All cabinets are upgraded with soft close doors and drawers, and the home features wood plank look tile throughout. Countertops in both kitchen and baths are granite. Master bedroom has tray ceiling with his and her walk-in closets. Master bath features his and her vanities and sinks as well as a jacuzzi tub and walk-in shower. Guest bedrooms are all nice sized with 2 having walk-in closets. Covered and tiled porch in the back makes a great spot for outdoor entertaining. This home is under construction, estimated completion date August 2022. Comes with 2 to 10 builder's warranty. Photos are of model, not actual home. If this location does not work, we have others.